I am Deniz Terziler, and this term in SE 380 course we developed an application with my classmates Bora, Özçoban and Halis. Our application called HaDiBe. HaDiBe helps users to find content to watch and allows them to rate and comment to the contents. Let's start with registering. You have to enter your username, email and password. If you leave it empty in any point, it gives an error. And at this point, you have to give exact same password. Otherwise, it does not allow you to continue. As you can see, they are not same, and it didn't allow me to continue. So let's press sign up. And after I signed up, as you can see, our Firestore updated, and it automatically turns to the login page. So again, in here we have to enter our email and password, otherwise it gives an error like this. So now we logged in. So in the main page you can see the contents, menu button, search button and filter button. So you can see contents like this. So let's continue. I would like to start with a content. Let's say I want to add this content to my favorites list. I can use this heart icon. As you can see, it's updated in Firestore. So, and if I want to see the content details, I need to click on that content. Here you can see the content details. So right now I would like to show our contents Firestore collection. This is the Dark Knight in Firestore. As you can see, there are several fields. So if it's a movie, you can see the length, and if it's a series, you can see the total episodes. So let me show you another example. The Avatar: The Last Airbender is a TV series, and it's totally 61 episodes. Continue with the Dark Knight. So you can the total rate of the content out of 10, and available on which platform. Right now we only have two platforms, Netflix and Disney Plus. You can add the content to your watch list like this with this button. Also you can see it in here. It's added to your watch list. And also from here with this heart icon again, you can remove or add this content to your favorites. So another detail is HaDiBe. By the way, HaDiBe increases when somebody gives 10 out of 10 to that content. And you can see the description of the content with this button. Let's say you want to make a comment. This is the page where you can do that. So this is the old comments to this content. Let me show you our comments collection. We keep them like this with their author, comment ID, comment text, and the name of the content. So let's try to make a comment. If it's empty, it gives an error. Or if it includes some bad words, like for example, to demonstrate it, I just write bad word, and it says it's banned words. So let's say the best movie I've ever seen. So it's added to here, and here there are smiling faces, and once you tap, it means you like that comment, and it turns to yellow. So like for example, we can like those. So another thing that you can do in this page is rating the content. Let me give 10 to this content. As you can see, HaDiBe is increased and also the rate did change, both in here and there, and also HaDiBe changed. So let's go to the search page. We wanted to allow users search for contents easily. So Let's say you want to go to the Loki's page. You just write L and Loki comes. You can go to the Loki's page. And also let's add this one to our list. Also give some rate. Let's give a rate and also make a comment. As you can see, it's added here. So let's go back. Let's see the filter page. Now in the filter page you can select what you want to see. Let's say I want to see comics and Disney Plus. But I have to press save button, otherwise it does not affect the contents. Let's see. I didn't press save button and they are still remaining same. After I press save button, they have been changed. Unfortunately, it brings both Disney Plus and comics contents, not the comics contents on the Disney Plus. So if I want to reset them, I have to press reset button, and then I have to press save button again, and now it comes again, all the contents. So let's continue with the menu page. There are 7 buttons which you can take actions. You can go back, you can go to your profile or comments, likes, watch list, favorites, or you can log out. So let's start with comments. This is the part that you can see your comments and the content of it. You may remember we made 2 comments, one of them to Loki and one of them to the Dark Knight. So let's continue with the likes page. This is the part where you can see the liked comments. You can unlike them with this button again, and if there is none, it says you can add comments to this page with like buttons. So let's continue with the watch list. You can see the contents that you have added to your list, and let's remove them. Again, if there is none, it says you can add contents from the content details page. Right now I would like to show my users document. Right now watch list is empty. So go back to our menu page and then favorites list. So here you can see the Dark Knight is added. Right now is not added, and it says you can add contents with favorite buttons. So let's continue with the profile page. With this button you can go to your profile page. Because we have just created our account, we don't have an avatar and all times favorite content. Let's start with choosing an avatar for us. You can see there are more. Let's choose this one. It's updated in Firestore and it's also updated in here. So let's choose an all times favorite content. Let's say Titanic, and it's also updated here. And the last operation you can do here is seeing other users. You can see all the other users with their usernames, avatars, and all times favorite content. Unfortunately, we couldn't handle the followers part. Now I would like to show you another users page quickly to show things are not the same. So let's log out. And I have another account which is called dönem Gmail. You can see its datas here. Yeah, this one. You can see this is not the same with the other one. As you may remember, we removed everything in our favorites list, also in watch list. But here we have some other contents. Also our avatar is different. Also our all-time favorite content is different. Thanks for watching.